If you want a quick hack on how to resize text to fit inside your planner boxes, then stay tuned. Hello my planner pals, welcome back. If you're new, hi, I'm Di and I am here at Creative Karma Design. So this is going to be a new series on my channel called 5 Minute Friday, where I come at you with a hack, a tip, a something, but it's something that you've requested. So if you have a request for something, drop it in the comments down below or email me. Today's question is from Raquel. So Raquel says that she has a Maker 3, but she's not sure how to use it. She has terrible issues with the sizing of stickers and the box's text. Basically, when I look on the mat on Design Space, I can't tell how big or small it actually is. I try and I get frustrated. Now, I'm going to assume that she's talking about text to fit inside these boxes. Either these boxes or your regular functional boxes. And she wants text to fit inside there. I've got a hack for that. First thing you're going to do, you're going to measure the size of your box. If you're using a classic Happy Planner, these are generally 1.5 inches. I'm going to go with that. It's 1.5 inches. Let's go to Cricut Design Space. Okay, so here we are in Cricut Design Space. I'm going to click on text. I'm going to say this week. That is going to be the header that I want to be inside my boxes. Now, I've got a couple of options. The first thing that I can do is if I have this selected, so if I click on it to select it, you can see here above it, it says it's 4.15 by 0.81 inches. So all I have to do is to make this bigger, I just click and drag. And I just keep an eye on how big those are. Or I can come up here where it says size and just resize it to 1.5 or whatever I want to resize it as. That's the first thing that I can do. The second thing that I can do to make sure it is going to fit in my bloody boxes, I come over to shapes, I click on the square shape. Now up here you can see that this square is 2 inches by 2 inches. I know that my planner boxes are 1.5 inches. We measured it, we know. Now I'm going to change the box color so that you can see to yellow. I'm going to bring this week over. Now, oh look, you can't see it. Come to arrange, bring to front. Now you can see that barely fits in there. I'm going to zoom in so that you can see. Your zoom in button is down here on the bottom left. So you can see that my this week doesn't fit because I know on this, there's going to be a border around this box. So I'm going to take this to 1.25. How does that fit in my box? Fits great. It fits great, Di. Now, the other thing that you can do is you can come to uploads. I have my boxes in here from a previous project. I know that this is 6.75 because it's a print and cut. Again, I'm going to come to arrange, send it to the back, and I know that this will fit in my boxes here. So if you already have boxes, that's what you can do. You can already have the boxes. Now, I think I might want to take that a little bit less, do it 1.15, and then that will be how it is. But make yourself a little template with the box so that you know that is going to fit within your boxes. Now, the only thing that you have is if I duplicate that and I put this back in here, I'm trying to think of a longer word. It's stuff like anniversary. So you can see now that the anniversary is not going to fit. So I come up here, 1.15, and now it fits. The only thing is, it's going to be a smaller font than this week. If it bothers you that the font is going to be smaller, you've got a couple of options. You can come up here, see that the font here is 17.1. The font here is 19.97. I just highlight it, 17.1. Now the fonts are all the same size, and that is how you resize your text, your headers, to fit inside of your boxes. Raquel, I hope that helped answer your question. If you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment down below with any requests you have, questions, whatever it is, drop me a comment down below and I will try and answer it in less than 5 minutes. Bye!